Who is this continuously coughing? Meet me, I'm the new earth of 2022. Meet me, I'm the old earth of 1960s. Oh, look at you, you are very old-fashioned. There is no development. Excuse me, look at yourself. Due to pollution, you have turned brown. I'm much better than you. I am very developed. I have all the facilities that a modern world requires, like internet, mobiles, cars, ACs, and I can go on with this list. But tell, what do you have? I have the most precious things of mankind, like greenery, peace, happiness, clean water, and clean air to breathe. You also have global warming, deforestation, pollution, and so many diseases. Is this your so-called modernization? I am developed 500 times more than you. Today, the man has reached the moon. But tell, what do you had during your days? Let me show you. A farmer.
Today I have worked so much in my field. Where is my food? I am very tired and hungry. Wow, the food is delicious. And now I want to sleep. Where's my blanket?
See, in our time, people were very hardworking and slept peacefully. People sleep peacefully now in their AC rooms. Let me show you more. It is about two friends.
Hello, what are you doing? I am just planting a tree. Planting a tree. I am on my birthday. I plant tree every year. Oh, that's a great idea. I will also plant a tree on my birthday. Let's come.
See, in our time, people loved environment. They used to plant trees, but now trees are being cut. Wait a minute, trees are being planted so that they can be cut for development and making factories. But if you want to see how my people live, then let me show you their lifestyle. Okay, let's see your people.
Yo bro, what's up? How are you?
Fine. Where are you from so many days?
I was at my home only and I heard that you have brought a new car.
Yes, I have brought a new car.
What is the mileage of your car, bro?
I don't care about the mileage. I just want to enjoy the ride.
Pollution, pollution, pollution. What about pollution, bro? Your car will emit a lot of carbon, which is harming the environment. What is about environment, bro?
I don't care about the pollution. I just want to enjoy the ride. Let's
Yeah.
go for a ride.
Yes, go.
See, how much pollution is there in your time? Okay, let me show you some more.
Mr. Gupta, where are you?
I am here only. What's the matter?
Due to inflation, we are facing a lot of problems.
Yes, you are correct. Nowadays we are facing lot of problems and we are having so long power cuts and my AC don't work due to fluctuation. And you know, the children don't study without AC.
Yes. Actually, I have called someone to cut the tree, but he hasn't arrived yet.
But why are you cutting the trees?
Oh, I have bought a new car, so I need parking.
Okay, let's see which car you have.
Yes, come on, let's see.
Ouch! What happened? I think a mosquito has bitten my leg. No, mosquitoes haven't bitten you. Trees are being cut. That's why you feel the pain. No, I don't think so. Why would I feel trees be cut? What do you want to show me? Okay, let me show you one of the drawbacks of this modern earth. Let's see.
Doctor, please look at my cousin.
What happened to him?
He is not feeling bad.
Where is he now? Okay, let me check him. He's too serious. Now I have to shift him in the ICU.
Please, doctor, do it fast.
Okay. Excuse me, come here.
Yes, doctor.
But we are not having enough oxygen in our hospital. So you have to arrange for it, and I am also trying to arrange it.
Yes, doctor, I will try.
Hello, Dr. Shukla. Is there oxygen cylinder in your hospital? It's very urgent. No? Okay, no.
Doctor, he is very serious. Please look at him.
Okay, let me. Sorry, but he is no more.
Okay, doctor.
See, it is one of the sad sides of this modern earth. More and more trees. Remember, trees are the only source of oxygen in this world. So, go green, go clean.